Viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn standard 9th science unit 7 heat lesson la book back answer fullaவே பார்க்கலாம். Okay, first Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, calorie is the unit of. Four option கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா. Which answer correct? Answer A, heat. Next second one, SI unit of temperature is. Answer Kelvin. Next third one, two cylindrical rods of same length have the area of cross section in the ratio 2:1. Both the rods are made up of same material. Which of them conduct heat faster? Answer C, rod 1. Next, fourth one. In which mode of transfer of heat molecules pass on heat energy to neighboring molecules without actually moving from their positions? Answer B, conduction. Next, fifth one. A device in which the loss of heat due to conduction, convection and radiation is minimized is. Answer D, thermoflux. Next, second Roman. Fill in the blanks. First one. The fastest mode of heat transfer is dash. Answer radiation. Next, second one. During daytime, air blows from dash to dash. Answer C, land. Next, third one. Liquid and gases are general dash conductors of heat. Answer poor. Fourth one, the fixed temperature at which matter changes state from solid to liquid is called dash. Answer melting. Next, third Roman, assertion and reason type questions. Mark the correct choices. இங்கே ஃபோர் ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த ஃபோர் ஆப்ஷனில் விச் ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட் கீழே வந்து கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் என்ன கரெக்ட்னு பார்க்கலாம். அசர்சன் என்ன ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன்க்கு, ஃபுட் கேன் பி குக்டு ஃபாஸ்டர் இன் வெசல்ஸ் வித் காப்பர் பட்டம். ரீசன், காப்பர் இஸ் த பெஸ்ட் கண்டக்டர் ஆஃப் ஹீட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து நம்ம இங்கே மேலே ஃபோர் ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இதிலேருந்து சூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம எழுதணும். Which answer correct? Answer வந்து A. If both assertion and reasons are true and reasons is the correct explanation of assertion. Next, second one. Assertion, maximum sunlight reaches Earth's surface during the noon time. Reason, heat from the sun reaches Earth's surface by radiation. Answer B. If both assertion and reasons are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next, third one. Assertion, when water is heated up to 100 degrees Celsius, there is no rise in temperature until all water gets converted into water vapor. Reason, boiling point of water is 10 degrees Celsius. Answer C, if assertion is true but reason is false. Next, fourth Roman, answer briefly பார்க்கலாம். First one, define conduction. Answer, the process of transfer of heat in solids from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature without the actual movement of molecules is called conduction. Next, second one. Ice is kept in a double-walled container. Why? Answer. Ice is kept in a double-walled container so as to prevent melting of ice from the heat observed present in the immediate surroundings. The vacuum present in between the two walls prevents the transfer of heat from the first to the second wall, and hence the ice remains in the solid form for a longer time period. Next, third question. How does the water kept in an earthen pot remain cool? Answer, an earthen pot consists of small pores from which the water inside the pot constantly seeps out and gets evaporated due to the presence of high temperature around it. The evaporation process requires heat which is acquired from the surface of the pot, hence making the water and the pot cooler. Next, fourth one, differentiate convection and radiation. Answer பார்க்கலாமா, இதோட differentiation என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Convection, first point, flow of heat through a fluid from places of higher temperature to places of lower temperature by movement of the fluid itself. Radiation, flow of heat from one place to another by means of electromagnetic waves. Second point பார்க்கலாம். Convection seen in daily life, hot air balloons, breeze, wind, chimney. Radiation in daily life, white or light colored clouds, highly polished surface of airplane helps to reflect most of the heat radiation from the sun. Next, fifth question. Why do people prefer wearing white clothes during summer? Answer. People prefer white or light colored clothes during summer as they are good reflectors of heat and hence they keep us cool. Next, sixth question. What is specific heat capacity? Answer. Specific heat capacity of a substance is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of the substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. 1 K. The SI unit of specific heat capacity is Joule kg power minus 1 Kelvin power minus 1. Next. Seventh one, define thermal capacity. Answer. Heat capacity or thermal capacity is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of a body by 1 degree Celsius. It is denoted by C power. Next, eighth one, define specific latent heat capacity. Answer. Specific latent heat is the amount of heat energy absorbed or liberated by unit mass of a substance during change of state without causing any change in temperature. The SI unit of specific latent heat is joule per kg. Next, answer in detail. Fifth Roman. First one, explain convection in daily life. Answer. Convection in daily life. First point, hot air balloons. Air molecules at the bottom of the balloon get heated by a heat source and rise as the warm air rises. Cold air is pushed downward and it is also heated. When the hot air is trapped inside the balloon, it rises. Next, breezes. During daytime, the air in contact with the land becomes hot and rises. Now, the cool air over the surface of the sea replaces it. It is called sea breeze. During night time, air above the sea is warmer. As the warmer air over the surface of the sea rise, cooler air above the land moves towards the sea. It is called land breeze. Next, winds. Air flows from area of high pressure to area of low pressure. The warm air molecules over hot surface rise and create low pressure. So cooler air with high pressure flows towards low pressure area. This causes wind flow. Next, fourth one, chimneys. Tall chimneys are kept in kitchen and industrial furnaces as the hot gases and smoke are lighter. They rise up in the atmosphere. Next, second question. What are the changes of state in water? Explain. The process of changing of a substance from one physical state to another at a definite temperature is known as change of state. For example, water molecules are in liquid state at normal temperature. When water is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, it becomes steam, which is a gaseous state of matter. On reducing the temperature of the steam, it becomes water again. If we reduce the temperature further to 0 degrees Celsius, it becomes ice, which is a solid state of water. Ice on heating becomes water again. Thus, water changes its state when there is a change in temperature. There are different such process in the change of state in matter. The image processing கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பார்த்துக்கோங்கம்மா. The change of state of matter. ஓகேவா? liquid evaporation. நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன கொடுக்குறீங்க? கண்டென்சேஷன், இது டெபோஷன், சப்ளிமேஷன், சாலிட்லேருந்து ஃப்ரீசிங், மெல்ட்டிங் இது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ப்ராசஸ் வந்து. The state of matter. Next, melting, freezing. The process in which a solid is converted to liquid by absorbing heat is called melting or fusion. The temperature at which a solid changes in state to liquid is called melting point. The reverse of melting is freezing. The process in which a liquid is converted to solid by releasing heat is called freezing. The temperature at which a liquid changes its state to solid is called freezing point. In the case of water, melting and boiling occur at 0 degree Celsius. Next, boiling, condensation. The process in which a liquid is converted to vapor by absorbing heat is called boiling or vaporization. The temperature at which a liquid changes its state to gas is called boiling point. The process in which a vapor is converted to liquid by releasing heat is called condensation. The temperature at which vapor changes its state to liquid is called condensation point. Boiling point as well as condensation point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Vapor VAPOUR. Next, sublimation. Some solids like dry ice, iodine, frozen carbon dioxide, and naphthalene balls change directly from solid state to gaseous state without becoming liquid. The process in which a solid is converted to gaseous state is called sublimation. Various stages of conversion of state of matter by heat with the corresponding change in temperature is shown in figure. இந்த இமேஜில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. Various stage of conversion of state of matter, temperature, heating, temperature, melting point, இது boiling point, solid, melting, liquid, இது vaporizing gas, condensing, freezing இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Next, third question, how can you experimentally prove water is a bad conductor of heat? How is it possible to heat water easily while cooking? Answer, take hot glass test tube and drop in it a tiny cube of ice wrapped in a gas. Fill 4.5-3 of the tube with the ice cold water and then set up the apparatus as shown in a diagram. Heat the test tube near its mouth. It is observed that in a few moments water starts boiling near the top, but the ice at the bottom does not melt. This experiment shows that water is a bad conductor of heat. அதான் அதோட இமேஜ் இது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அந்த ப்ராசஸ் இமேஜ் இது லேபிள் பண்ணணும். இந்த ஹீட்டிங் பர்னர், க்யூப் ஆஃப் ஐஸ் வந்து இங்கே டெஸ்ட் டியூப்பில் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஐஸ் கோல்டு வாட்டர், வாட்டர் வெப்பர். Okay, it is easy to heat water easily or quickly while cooking. This is because while cooking the vessels or pan is usually covered with a little. This leads to three things. So radiation from the hot water is reflected back into the pan rather than being emitted. Free convection is effectively eliminated and evaporate cooling is also eliminated. This in turn allows the water to be heated more easily. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.